package from Amazon, because this is my first experience with healthcare here. Good morning guys, 6:54 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go to the gym. This is my week 5 of doing morning workouts. I've been waking up at 5 a.m. so this is like my 5 a.m. morning routine, I guess. I just have my coffee. I got my drink ready, so this is just water and this Mio Sport with electrolytes. It's just a liquid enhancer so that I can like drink water easily, but it has electrolytes, which is different from the other ones. And then I just have like a little teaspoon of honey to get me going. It's just like the sugar from the honey kind of like helps me keep my sugar levels a little bit more stable, or else I literally faint. And yeah, so I just got ready. I have on my biking shorts. I'll take you guys with me to the gym. I do cardio for 20 minutes and then the rest of the time for the hour I will be strength training. AirPods. I love this little pouch. I got it at Forever 21 on my Dubai trip. Drink, phone. Let's go. So I obviously came back from my workout and I'm going to shower and do my hair like later today. So I've been working and stuff. Okay. And I want to take a break, but I want to use my break to organize my pantry with everything that I got yesterday at Dollarama. So I cleaned and washed everything. You never want to put your bamboo stuff in the dishwasher because it will fuck it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you here and I'm going to organize it and at the same time film a TikTok for it. So alright, so I'm going to the dentist and I thought I'd take you guys with me because this is my first experience with healthcare here since I came here. I definitely went to my dentist back in Morocco, but I think he missed some of my cavities because I have one like new one and I told him about it, but he was like it's not too bad, so he didn't really treat it. And here I am. It's a 10-minute walk from my place. I have my payment card from my insurance already. The insurance gives you like some payment card that you can use and therefore you don't have like anything to pay out of pocket. Yeah, that's my first experience with healthcare and we're gonna see. Apparently the first like appointment is about cleaning and stuff like that and x-rays, and then the dentist will take a look and see what's there to treat or what's there to fix, I guess. Alright you guys, I am at my desk, but I thought I would just hop on and talk about the insurance thing because it ended up being like really easy. Obviously I'm covered through my job. They give you like a limit of how much you're covered, the amount that you can kind of spend, like a budget to spend on dental care. So mine is $1,500. It's different for everybody. There's different plans for everyone, but I just happen to have the $1,500. And so they found like some cavities and stuff like that, which is really sad because I already went to the dentist back home in October 4 or 5 months ago. I did like 2 different x-rays and a cleaning, which was really good. I have to keep brushing my teeth to keep it up, but the cleaning was really nice and I think that's free with every new customer, and I have a fill-in that is scheduled in like a week or 2, so that way I can like kind of treat all of the cavities and be done. So once you don't pay anything from your pocket. They actually, the dentist or the doctor in general, they get in touch with your insurance and the insurance gives them like, here's what you're covered on, this is what you can do, you know, all of the information. So when I came out of my appointment, the girl, the assistant, already told me, hey, you're gonna max it out at this point, so we're gonna treat this and this cavity. And then one of the cavities, she said the doctor told her it's not that urgent, so because it's not covered, I'm just not gonna do it right now, but I might do it later on and pay out of pocket or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, that's the tea on the whole dental care thing. Now I have a meeting and I need to go in really fast. All right guys, it is a couple weeks later. I was so busy with work and trying to have a fitness kind of program and lifestyle and things like that. Obviously I'm very focused on my fitness lately, as I told you guys, but I thought I would share with you guys my last Amazon package before I end this vlog. But today's St. Patrick's Day. I was just like at the parade, but you're gonna see that in the next vlog because I just went out to kind of shop for whatever I need for Ramadan, so that's gonna be in the next vlog. I wanted to share with you guys this package from Amazon. I got just a couple like essential things for me. By the way, I got this protein last time just because I tried I tried this brand in like a smaller kind of container because I wanted to try. It's a vegan protein. Usually vegan proteins are disgusting. So I tried this brand, it's Vega, and I really liked it. I really liked the berry flavor, and now I got the peanut butter. Oh my god, no way. So I got these bralettes just because I did gain weight, to be completely transparent with you guys. I did gain weight a lot during this transition, like from packing and moving from my apartment to my parents' house, and then packing to come to Canada, and then, you know, all of the shit that you guys saw me go through during the first, you know, month here. So I was obviously just eating everything and anything. This is for the girlies out there. My bras are like, don't really fit me and really annoy me. I got this bralette set, not to like make it official or anything, just so I can, you know, find something to wear that is comfortable. I also hate the concept of bras. Like, why do we have to have boob prison every day? But you know, I personally have to. I need the support, but I hate the concept. So if you don't have to, please don't wear a bra. But I got these. Oh my god, these are huge. It's either I think I'm skinnier or these are huge. I don't know. I literally don't know. They come in like a 3-pack on Amazon. I will link them down below in my Amazon storefront. I got a nude one, a black one, and a white one. The fact that I have to buy one, I buy the wireless ones because like the wire really just like pokes at my hopes and dreams, and I'm not doing it anymore. So I am doing the wireless. I got a 2 t-shirt pack. It's pretty cool, you know, to buy things in packs when you just need the basics. And I'm just gonna work out in them. These are men's shirts, and I got an extra large because I like a gym short, you know, like fitted gym shorts, and then an extra large kind of boyfriend t-shirt. That's the look that I love. One is in gray. Oh my god, this is perfect. And then I got one in red. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see the other shorts that I got for them. Last but not least, I got the scale. Let's talk about this. Trigger warning, I am not here to make anybody self-conscious about their body. Whatever feels good for you, okay? The thing is, I've always been like the chubby girl, which bothered me when I was younger because everyone was in my head like, you need to be skinny, you need to lose weight, you need to be skinny, you need to lose weight. We all know the 90s and early 2000s toxic diet culture. The thing is, when I gain weight, I have not been this heavy since high school. And that says a lot. I feel like I have a second human on top of me. That's how like heavy and uncomfortable I feel. And just being transparent with you guys. And weights go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. Life happens. There's nothing absolutely wrong with that. And I haven't been truly in shape since 2019. And I feel like everyone moved on from COVID, and I'm still stuck on the fact that I haven't had a workout routine and a healthy lifestyle since COVID hit. So that's why now that I feel so grounded and home here in my place in Toronto, the gym is downstairs. Everything is like structured and now in place, and I'm not like going anywhere. I'm not planning to move anywhere. So I haven't had this feeling in basically my whole life. So now I feel like I can have a lifestyle, and that's what I'm trying to build. I'm building a lifestyle. I'm not going to the gym and eating right and weighing myself to have a summer body. I don't do summer bodies. I don't do a body for an event. I don't lose weight for, I don't know, a vacation. I don't do that. I want to have a lifelong sustainable lifestyle, and that's basically why I'm like on this journey. So I got a scale, yay. But this is not just any scale. This is a scale that gives you the percentage of your body fat versus the percentage of your muscle. So work your muscles, ladies. We don't need to be skinny, we need to be strong. So this is a good information for me. I don't just need to know like if I'm heavy or not. I need to be strong and lean. It gives you your BMI, it gives you like factors that actually matter. So that's my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Lots of fun vlogs coming. Spring is upon us. I'm in a better mood. The sun is freaking shining. The summer is gonna be fun. Drake actually dropped his dates, his tour dates in Canada, so the summer is gonna be fire. Follow me on Instagram. I overshare over there, and I'll see you in the next one.